Welcome back to BullRun Radar, the channel where we scan markets, decode signals, and reveal the coins preparing for their next major move. Today, we're re-diving deep into one of the fastest growing and most underrated powerhouses in the entire crypto ecosystem of AVAX, the Avalanche blockchain. Over the last few weeks, something massive has been happening behind the scenes. AVAX's on-chain activity is rising, subnets are gaining real-world adoption, and most importantly, whales are accumulating at levels we haven't seen since the last bull run. If that doesn't grab your attention, trust me, what's coming next will. So let's get right into it. So why is AVAX suddenly back in the spotlight? To understand why it's heating up again, we need to talk about what makes Avalanche truly unique. Unlike most blockchains that are constantly fighting over speed and low fees, Avalanche took a completely different approach, infinite scalability through subnets. Now, what are subnets? Think of them as customizable mini-blockchains running inside the Avalanche ecosystem. They're perfect for gaming, for AI, for enterprise solutions, and of course for DeFi. But here's the secret sauce. Subnets don't slow down the main AVAX chain. This is a game changer. It means Avalanche can scale almost without limit, handling a huge volume of transactions without getting congested or expensive. This innovation is precisely why major gaming companies are tokenization projects, and even institutional partners are migrating to Avalanche right now. While you might not see it on Twitter every day, behind closed doors, developers are choosing AVAX because it's fast, it's stable, and it doesn't suffer from the network clogs that plague other blockchains. And here's the best part for investors, because more subnets require AVAX to operate and secure their network. Demand for the AVAX token automatically rises with every single new project that joins the ecosystem. More adoption directly translates to more demand. Now, let's talk about the signal that nearly every serious analyst has started paying close attention to: whale accumulation. When the smart money moves, you need to listen. Over the past 30 days, on-chain wallet tracking data shows some incredible trends. First, large holders have increased their AVAX positions by a staggering 18%. Second, transfer volume for transactions above $100,000 has surged by 40%. And third, and maybe most importantly, exchange reserves of AVAX have dropped significantly. So what does this all mean? It means whales are quietly moving their AVAX off exchanges and into cold storage. They are taking supply off the market. And historically, when whales accumulate in silence, the price action that follows is usually explosive. Whales don't just gamble. They don't throw money around hoping for the best. They move early, they move strategically, and they move aggressively. Right now, all the data suggests they are positioning themselves for what they believe is Avalanche's next major move upward. This isn't just a small shift. It's a calculated accumulation phase by the biggest players in the game. This is where the story gets even better. The reason AVAX stands out isn't just its technology. It's the fact that it attracts real-world projects, not just hype-based crypto experiments that fizzle out after a few weeks. Let's look at the industries that are adopting subnets right now. We're seeing AI infrastructure subnets being built to power decentralized artificial intelligence. We have institutional DeFi protocols choosing Avalanche for its security and speed. We're seeing major gaming studios launching high-performance Web3 titles that require a seamless user experience. And one of the biggest narratives in all of crypto, real-world asset tokenization platforms are flocking to Avalanche to tokenize everything from real estate to private equity. Why does this matter so much? Because real-world usage equals real, sustainable demand for the AVAX token. This creates a rising price floor that isn't just based on speculation. Remember the core principle. Every single time a subnet launches and gains traction, the entire Avalanche ecosystem becomes more valuable, and the AVAX token becomes more essential. This creates a powerful flywheel effect where growth feeds more growth. Alright, let's switch gears and talk about what everyone wants to know. The price action. Looking at AVAX's chart, we're seeing several classic bullish signals lining up. First, there's a clear bullish divergence forming on higher timeframes, suggesting that downside momentum is weakening even as the price has been consolidating. Second, the chart is forming a pattern of higher lows, which is a textbook sign of an uptrend building strength. Third, AVAX has found extremely strong support in key accumulation zones, where we've seen buyers step in repeatedly. And finally, there is a significant amount of liquidity building up just above the key resistance levels. This entire setup strongly resembles the pre-breakout pattern we saw right before AVAX went on its massive run during the previous bull cycle. So what are the experts predicting? In the short term, analysts expect AVAX to retest those overhead resistance levels. In the midterm, if it breaks through, the target is a strong breakout towards new highs for this cycle. And long-term, the vision is for Avalanche to reclaim its position as one of the absolute leading Layer 1 ecosystems in the entire crypto space. Let me be clear, this isn't just hope yet. This is what the data, the on-chain momentum, the real-world adoption, and the whale activity are all pointing towards. So here's the final verdict. AVAX is no longer just another blockchain in a crowded market. It is rapidly evolving into a massive ecosystem built for real-world adoption and unstoppable scalability. Its subnet architecture is a proven solution for the biggest challenges facing the industry. And when you see groundbreaking technology accelerating real-world adoption and massive whale accumulation all happening at the same time, that's the moment a potential breakout becomes almost inevitable. The writing is on the wall. The quiet accumulation phase might not last forever, and if you're watching this video, you're getting this information before it hits the mainstream. Thanks for watching BullRun Radar. If you want daily crypto insights, deep dives into trending coins, expert predictions, and high-energy analysis to keep you ahead of the market, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Remember, this channel is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. I'll see you tomorrow with another high-impact market update.